3, 2, 1.
Newswoman Veronica Corningstone from the movie Anchorman was played by actress Christina Applegate. In what groundbreaking Fox TV sitcom did she make her starring debut? The answer is D. Married with Children. What quarterback led in passing yards in 2002? The answer is B. Rich Gannon. Rocks and minerals are common materials found on Earth. Which property do most rocks and minerals share? The answer is B. They are solid. Which vegetable is often associated with a Greek salad? The answer is A. Carrot. Oregano is a spicy perennial herb, particularly common to which region in Europe? The answer is D. The Mediterranean region. What is a measure of the size of sound waves? The answer is A. Amplitude. What animal appears on the flag of Mexico? The answer is C. Golden eagle. I can listen to every word you say, yet I can't speak a word back. Who am I? The answer is A. Microphone. Which of the characters on Arrested Development was arrested and incarcerated for defrauding investors in the show's first season? The answer is A. George Bluth, Sr. Where's the loch, allegedly inhabited by the notorious Loch Ness Monster? The answer is A. Northern Scotland. Which organelle makes proteins from amino acids? The answer is B. Ribosome. Which of these is not a species of reindeer? The answer is B. Northern caribou. What type of energy is transmitted from the sun to Earth through space? The answer is D. Electromagnetic energy. What was the name of Gregory Peck's first movie with Audrey Hepburn, which was filmed in 1953 and told the story of a rich princess who fell in love with an American? The answer is D. Roman Holiday. Found in plants and algae, chloroplasts are the site of what process? The answer is C. Photosynthesis. What weapon did young David, the future king of Israel, use to defeat the giant Goliath? The answer is B. A sling. What year did Scott Travis join Judas Priest? The answer is D. 1990. What is the official language in India? The answer is B. Hindi. Which movie has a scene with the Ode to Joy played on a piano? The answer is B. Forrest Gump. The enormous number of species is due to the tremendous variety of what? The answer is B. Environments. Who was telling us that it was much too late for goodbyes in 1985? The answer is D. Julian Lennon. Which of these NFL quarterbacks retired in 2009 as the record holder for most passing yards gained in a career? The answer is A. Brett Favre. AIDS is an infectious disease of which system? The answer is C. Immune. What is a ripe tomato considered as per botanical definition? The answer is A. Fruit. This fruit is green on the outside and red on the inside. What am I? The answer is A. Mango. I have many wheels, but I can't turn them. What am I? The answer is C. Tire shop. In 2007, Venezuelan President Hugo Chavez did something that made his country unique. What was it? The answer is B. He declared a new time zone. The peak that touches the stars. What am I? The answer is A. Mount Everest. Which wedding anniversary is known as the Golden Wedding Anniversary or Golden Wedding Day? The answer is D. 50th anniversary. Which type of water reservoir could always provide fresh water? The answer is C. Mountain glaciers. I can be found in a ballpark, but I'm not a home run. What am I? The answer is A. Scoreboard. I'm used to hit a ball over a net. What am I? The answer is D. Tennis racket. Which car is known as the king of hot rods? The answer is D. Ford. What is the world's largest collection of Coca-Cola memorabilia? The answer is B. Danny and Judy Yount. Which mountain range has the longest continuous chain of volcanoes in the world? The answer is A. Andes. Where would you find the only royal palace to serve as an official residence in the USA? The answer is C. Honolulu, Hawaii. Which country does one associate with Lessicator? The answer is A. Sweden. Which of the following women was not married to John Steinbeck? The answer is A. Mary Steinbeck Decker. What utensil opens cans easily? The answer is A. Knife. I write without ink and I speak without a tongue. What am I? The answer is A. Book. Which English king, who reigned from 1714 to 1727, could not speak English? The answer is C. King George I. What is the book written by a dictator who became famous for writing Mein Kampf? The answer is A. Animal Farm. Which company launched the first successful commercially available graphical web browser, Mosaic, in 1993? The answer is B. Netscape. What is the mass of a carbon atom that has 6 protons, 7 neutrons, and 6 electrons? The answer is C. 13. Who is the first British royal bride to have a university degree? The answer is C. None of these. During the summer, what time is it in Los Angeles, CA, when it is 3 p.m. local time in Paris, France? The answer is A. 6 a.m. Which object would be best at heating up in the sunlight? The answer is B. A black solar panel. Which of these is a traditional Russian sport? The answer is B. Bandy. What type of rock is formed when existing rocks are subjected to extreme heat and pressure? The answer is C. Metamorphic rocks. I'm a city that never sleeps, home of monuments and museums. What am I?